Hello, everyone. I'm actually going to be showing you how to access the new website to order all business cards moving forward. The site's called MyPrintOnDemand. So I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how the site works and how orders will work moving forward. So first, we're going to start by typing in myprintondemand.com. Then it'll take you to the login site. You can type in your username and password. And then once you have all that information typed in, you can start your order. And then it's going to bring you to the home screen. So each screen um, looks the exact same for each user. Once they log in, they'll be able to see the items that we have. Currently, it's just business cards. Um, if you want to click on the business cards, it'll bring you to three different options, which you'll be able to select. Once you select which business card you want to do, it'll bring you to the business card page that has kind of the details of everything. So from here, you'll be able to see the price schedule and you'll be able to create your card right here on the site. So I'm going to create a site or create a card right on the site just to show you how it would work. So here you can type in all the information, um, your name, title, an email. For all emails, it actually has the domain right at the end, so all you need to enter is the first part of the email. Then I'm going to enter my office number. There is an extension field if needed. If you don't have one, it's not required. And then once you have all your information in, you can actually hit save, and then a proof will auto-populate, which gives you the ability to view the PDF, which is downloadable. And if there's any mistakes or anything, you can just hit the edit button, and it'll bring you right back to that page. Then when you hit save, a new one will generate, um, and then it'll appear right here. Once you have everything entered in, you can select the quantity. I'm going to do 100 for this sake. Then once you have it, you can add it to the cart. And once you're in the cart, it gives you the option to change the quantity in case you selected the wrong one. You can also download the PDF of the business card file. If you need to place more orders, you can, hit continue shopping. If you want to cancel the order, you can cancel the order. If you want to save the order for later, you can hit that. Or if you want to start over, you can do that as well. Um, but since we have everything entered, I'm going to check out. That brings us to the checkout summary page. Um, Here it pretty much just shows you, what the order was and where's it going and everything like that. For the order ID, if it is something you want to call it in particular, for this example, Nick's business cards, we can do that. If not, you can select auto ID and it'll just generate the next number in our system. The comment section is if there's any certain enhanced date, or if you experience any issues when placing the order, anything like that, you can enter here. Um, and once the order is placed, we'll get those comment section as well, so we'll be able to see those notes. Um, Shipping for each location and each brand, the shipping is currently set up. So if there are multiple locations per brand, you'll be able to select that location, and then once selected, you can enter your name for the attention. And billing is already fill it out so you don't have to worry about that. And then once everything is good, you can submit order. And then it takes you to your order details page. You'll also receive an email of the order as well, that goes right to the email tied to your username. Um, and then the order comes directly to the printer, and everything will get printed and then shipped out immediately. And then if you want to repeat the order, you can do that. Back to the home page, you can see previous orders. As you can see, I have one open. That's the one I just submitted. Um, you can search it by order ID, shipping address, start date, end date, anything like that. And then it'll pop up. You can also, under user information, um, this is where it has, the first name, the last name of the user, then the username as well. You can change your password here. All you have to do is just type in whatever the new password is and confirm that password as well. Edit the phone number if you want, and you can edit the email as well that's tied to the username. Most usernames will be the email, but if you want to change that, you can do that as well. Um, and then you hit save, and you can go back to the home page and continue to order the more business cards.